We just got a wonderful 5-star review from one of our newest and happiest customers. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
We just had a beautiful roof put on by Advanced Roofing. This was an outstanding customer service experience. Though through the entire process, they were professional, courteous, and certainly a very hard-working crew. We couldn't be happier with their company and the work that they did for us. We're delighted and most grateful we chose Advanced Roofing. We will gladly recommend them to our family, friends, and neighbors.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.